Alright, so this is part two of our Music Maker app. So just a kind of quick reference, you should have already had at least four sounds, a way to play each sound and stop each sound, and hopefully you've added your four players. We do need to go in and change some properties for our players. We actually want these to loop. That way they keep playing and they do not stop. So why don't you go ahead and do that? I would pause the video, select each player, make sure their looping property is on. Make sure you've set each source also. Alright, so after we do this, it's time to actually get started doing some coding. And so how this is going to work is very simple. When I press the play button, it should play the actual source. The reason we have four different players is because we want to be able to play each one at the same time. So we're going to blocks, and I'm going to go when drum start is clicked. I'm going to go drum player. We're going to start that sound. And we're going to, when drum stop is clicked, we're going to call drum start. So we're going to go back drum player. We're going to go drum player stop. And so basically this does exactly what it says. When you press the drum start button, it starts to play. The player will keep playing because we have the loop property to true or check, so it's just going to keep looping until we actually stop it. And now we're going to do the same thing. Beat player play. And I'm just going to duplicate some code here. And I'm going to say beats player start. Let's duplicate this. We'll do our beat stop and beat player stop. So pretty much the same thing is what we're going to be doing the whole time. Drum 2, play, it's clicked. We're going to get our drum 2 player start. And then when drum 2 player is stopped, press that stop button. We're going to have our drum 2 player stop. One thing that you don't see me do, you definitely want to actually test this app. Want to make sure that it's actually working. So make sure you actually press your buttons, make sure they start and stop. There's nothing worse than trying to get to the end of your code and realizing you forgot something. So we did that, and then our last one. See, we have drum. Oh, we don't have our piano, so I think our pianos, there we go. When our piano player is play, we're going to start our piano. And then when our piano is stop, we should stop our piano. So piano stop. Okay.